Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. Hope you're doing well. I want to tell you a little bit of my story and how I perfected investing in my own way. You see, in the late 90s, I started investing in .com stocks and I got really excited. It was the first time I ever invested. And I crashed and burned, actually. I got super excited. Everything I bought was going up. From pets.com to JDS Uniphase, you couldn't pick a stock that was going down. And after a while, I thought that I was the top dog until I wasn't. The bubble had popped. I didn't even know there was a bubble. I didn't know what a bubble was. And I lost money. I then started real estate and I got excited and I made a lot of money in real estate. I did really well. Did investment, cash flow properties. I did fix and flips. I was on top of the world. Until I wasn't, because I took the profits, even though I saw the cycle that was ending and I sold all of my real estate except for 3 properties. I took that money and I put it in the stock market and I lost it. I then started a palm tree business, just absolutely crushed it. Had a blast doing it because I needed a hobby, needed something outside of being a firefighter. I had a lot of days off and I wanted to do something. I wanted to make more money. I took that money and I learned something very valuable around that time. I diversified it. I took the money from the palm trees and I started buying and selling tractors. I then took that money from buying and selling tractors and I bought some gold and silver. I then took the money from gold and silver and I started selling park model trailers. I then dipped back into stocks very lightly. And then the big lesson, I started buying cryptocurrency in 2017. My life changed forever. Because at that point, I figured out a system that kept my mind busy and my assets continually rising. And that was taking profits very strategically from specific asset classes and moving them into another asset class. I started learning about cycles and how different economic cycles impact different economic classes and assets. I said in 2017 that I will never lose again. Twice, actually 3 times, I had to go back to my wife and tell her the money that I had built up from a side hustle or an investment had been lost in another investment. In 2017, I told my wife I will never, ever, ever lose again. And I have not. I have slowly built this program using other pieces and bits of other people's programs and books and seminars that I went to over a span of over 2 decades. And perfected it into something that I call the Ninja 9. If you want, I would love to invite you to try this. Risk-free, because I say risk-free because after you're done with the course, within a 30-day period, if it doesn't change the way you think about investing, it doesn't create a hunger and a desire to do something different for the very first time in your life, you go, I have a way out. If you don't like what you've seen, email us and let us know and we'll return your money. I am that passionate about this project. For years being on YouTube, a little bit of this project's come out here or there. I've done videos on it with very little fanfare or views. And as I started to sketch it out, I started to realize, holy cow, there's so much to what has just become a part of the way I invest. And so I put together this program, the Ninja 9, a way to completely obliterate all of the doubts and fears inside of you that made you think that, why is it that every time I buy something, it goes down? Why is my timing always off? Why am I always the one late to the show? This program completely annihilates that. I'm going to teach you how to buy at the knees when everyone laughs at you. And then I'm going to show you when to sell at the shoulders. I'm going to show you how to diversify amongst many different asset classes and how to move in and out of those asset classes at the perfect time, because history is our teacher. This is why the 1% exists, because very few people understand when to bob and weave, dodge and pivot inside of an economy that's out of control, because our politicians are out of control, our bankers are out of control, and quite frankly, a certain set of the population is straight up nuts. This program is going to teach you for once and for all how to go from losing money, losing sleep, and losing your drive to absolutely crushing it. I cannot wait for you to join this. 2026 is your year. You've heard the term third time's a charm or enough is enough. I wish I had something better than that, but I'm telling you what, right now, this is your moment. The link's down below. If you want, I'm going to run a sale and then I'm going to raise the price. Early adopters, early people that take action. See, action takers are money makers. And this is a system unlike anything that has ever been out there. Thank you so much for your trust. The Economic Ninja is out.